Hey guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because we are doing a video that I've been wanting to do literally for like maybe 2 years ago was the first time I ever saw this, and I'm finally getting to do it, so I'm eager. And shout out to Revair. This video is not sponsored, however they did gift me their Revair, blow drying system thingamabob, and I'm just like, I'm so excited, okay, because every time I see a YouTube video with Revair, Instagram video, I'm like, damn, I need that. I need it in my life because it just looks like it's going to make blow drying my hair so much easier because I have so much hair. And so just to stick my hair in a little thing and dry it, oh my gosh, like, I'm just ready to get into it. So before we begin, you guys already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. So I've already like shampooed and deep conditioned my hair. I really cleaned it. Like I really shampooed my hair because I don't know if I want to straighten my hair or not. And if you're going to straighten your hair, then you know that it should be like super clean. So I've already done that. So my hair is pretty wet right now and it was nice and detangled. When I tell y'all, like, I haven't even, this box is so heavy. I haven't even taken it out the box. It's been sitting here for like a month because so much was going on that I was like not ready to straighten my hair yet, but now I'm ready. And so we're going to do like an unboxing and we're going to do our first impressions and all that. I don't know how to use this. I've seen videos on it. I didn't do anything to refresh my memory. So we are just going to do everything like straight up raw, okay? So this is something that came in it. What do we have? Oh, there's stuff. Oh, it's a little bag. It's a little Revair bag. Oh my god. Oh, is this hair products? Shine, strengthen, and seal. Okay, this is hair products. Wave goodbye. Play it straight, bright. Oh, wow. There's things in here. So we have this product right here. This is the Bright Spot Shine Spray. It's a little travel size spray, which is really cool if you're traveling somewhere. Play it straight hair primer. Okay, so this is something that you're going to put on your hair before you blow dry it. And it says types 3 and 4. And you guys know I have type 4 hair, so this is going to be like your heat protection. And then we also have the Wave Goodbye hair primer. So this is for types 1 and 2. So if you have more wavy or straight hair, you will use the Wave Goodbye because you have more of a wave to your hair. And then for the girls like me, it says play it straight. This is what we want to use. Okay, got it. Cute. And then what's this? Oh, is this a little towel? It is for your hair. It's so soft. This is really soft. All right. Next, we have some alligator clips, which is great for sectioning off your hair. We're going to definitely keep those close because I only have 4 clips in my hair right now, and I'm probably going to need a little bit more. I was actually looking for a wide tooth comb when I was washing my hair, so I probably should have looked through the box first, but we have a wide tooth comb, so that is perfect for detangling. We have a quick start guide, which I feel like I'm going to need. And all you need to know, a manual, and now to take out the actual hair tool. Okay, we have this little bag here. Let's see what this is. Oh, is this like a little stand? It's heavy. It has some weight to it. Is this where you put the little thingy? Get a grip wand holder. Yep, it's a holder for the wand because it says wand holder. Duh, 2 + 2 = 4. Got it. Is this a little box for it to store it? How fun. Oh, yay. This is actually awesome. You want to keep you organized? You have a little box for it. That's perfect. Yeah, I like that. So here is the wand. So my hair goes in there like that. That's cool. Okay, look at this. A continuous spray mist bottle. I love these. Like, I literally cannot do my hair without having one of these. So perfect. We're going to fill this up with water because I'm not going to lie, I was lollygagging, so my hair has been wet for a minute, so it's probably drying. So I'm gonna fill this up with some warm water and use this to like re-wet my hair as we go through each section, just so that way it's an easier process when detangling. And finally, we have the actual tool. So let me move all these boxes out the way. So it comes in this little baggie. I just love all these little bags to keep everything safe and organized and just in good shape. We have a little handle. Bam! So this is the Revair. We have a power switch on the top. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, from when I watch the YouTube videos, this is like the little tension here, like what tension you want to use it on. And that's going to determine like how straight it gets, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm going to put that on the floor. This is like where the heat is coming out of, like all the air is coming out of, and your hair goes in here. So let me go ahead and look at this to like determine what tension I need to put it on because I don't want to hurt myself. Got the beautiful people using it. Yes, y'all here look good. Y'all better go off. Show off for the girls. Okay. So in this booklet, it's kind of breaking down, you know, everything. I don't have straight hair. I don't have wavy hair. I have coily zigzag hair right here. Average section time, 90 seconds. We stand. Size matters. Begin with a 3" by 3" section at the scalp. If your hair has a lot of volume, start slightly smaller as not to inhibit airflow in the wand. Okay. Settings. Slow and low. Okay. Begin by setting your reverse airspeed dial to 2 or lower. Increase the speed level until you find your ideal tension. All right, we're starting off with 2 because we ain't going to play no games. The heat is on. Set the temperature control on the wand at low. If you find you need more heat, switch to 2. Oh, so that 1 and 2 is how much heat you might need. Okay, I'm learning stuff. Seconds fast track. Drying time vary by hair type, but commonly range between 30 to 90 seconds. Pass the test. To ensure a section is dry, pull the wand a few inches from the scalp to feel the dampness. If you still have a bit of dampness or texture, repeat until hair feels dry, noting the time it took to get it just right. Okay, this honestly sounds super easy. I'm ready to jump into it. Did I read enough? Probably not, but you know. The cord, does it go longer than that? I don't think so. Oh wait, it's just wrapped around. It does go longer. I was gonna say, baby, that cord a little short. But it does go longer. Okay, it's wrapped around. So you also have a little area to wrap around the cord, which is fucking amazing. It kind of reminds me of like a vacuum or something. So you can hide a cord. They definitely made sure that organizing and putting this away neatly in your home is going to be a breeze. I love that. Thank you for that. I'm gonna start off with this back section here. I left my shower cap on to lock in all that moisture so my hair didn't dry out. I'll start off with this. Do you guys feel like this will work? I feel like that'll work. Let's start with that. I think that might do a little piece some. So the styling products I'm going to be using is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 styling cream. We're going to make sure we really focus on the ends here, and then I'm going to just detangle, make sure my hair is nice and detangled. What time is it? It's actually 6 o'clock on the dot, so this is good timing. It's a good time to remember. 6 p.m. on the dot. We're going to detangle this. They said start off with 1 and then set the tension to 2. Oh, it's on. It's on. It's on, y'all. Okay. It's sucking up my hair. It is sucking on my hair. Okay. So I see people like, do I just hold it? Bitch, what? Hold on. Wait, everybody shut up. Bitch, it blow dried my hair a little piece. Oh my God, look at that. What? Okay, it's still a little damp. I think we could turn it up some. I have a lot of hair and it's thick, and I feel like we can turn it up a little bit. So I'm gonna actually go to, let's go 2 more. Let's go to 4 and let's turn up the heat on here. Wow. I'm low-key, high-key blown away because I wasn't too sure if this product was going to, well, this tool was going to work on my hair type. But guys, like, look at that. It's also telling me a girl needs to get her ends trimmed because what is that? Ah, I need my ends trimmed. Oh my God, I need my ends trimmed so bad. Oh, that is embarrassing. Revair, you're embarrassing me because you letting everybody know I need my ends trimmed. That's crazy. But no, it really did that. I feel like 4 in the high heat is a good place for me. Wow, 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 wow. That is crazy. I'm shocked at how straight my hair is. What I'm obsessed with right now is the fact that my arms are not tired. Because you guys know, like, blow drying your hair, you're like, I'm blow drying, I'm blow drying, I'm blow drying. It's annoying and it's a process. But like me, I'm just holding it. I'm just holding it. I don't have to do much. I could be on my phone. I don't need 2 hands. Oh my gosh, I need my ends trimmed. I kind of want to turn it to 5. I don't think we need to go to 7, but I kind of want to turn it to 5. I'm going to add a little bit more of this product right at my ends. But that is crazy. We're going to do 5 in high heat and just see what the difference is. Okay, I feel like I like that. I think I like 5 in high heat. I feel like it feels even better. I think I like 5 in high heat, but I just don't like these ends. What the hell is happening? Okay, guys, let's move on to the next section. This is getting exciting, but now I'm kind of like, I don't know about straightening my hair. Okay, so we have a whole section done, and this is like telling me how bad I need my ends trimmed. Like, oh my gosh. No wonder I've been struggling with doing my hair, but I am really feeling this. Like, my hair looks really straight for the most part. The only part that's bothering me is my ends, and that has nothing to do with the Revair. That has to do everything with my ends, but like, I think my happy spot is having it on high and then putting the tension on 5. So I want to go ahead and finish this back section and see where we are. All right, so I think I'm going to split this section into 2. So I really did 4 sections per section just because I have so much hair, and I'm pretty sure I could probably do bigger sections, but because I'm new to this, I'm not yet true to this, I just want to be 100% sure. But you guys can see the major difference between what my hair looks like wet and what my hair looks like dry. The shrinkage and everything like that. Like, I am so amazed by this. Putting that 5-in-1 styling treatment on my hair. And I'm going to turn this bad boy on. All right, so we have one more section for this big old section right here, and then we are done. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I procrastinated this whole month because I was like, oh my gosh, I don't feel like blow drying my hair. Blow drying my hair is too much work. I don't want to do it, you know, because I'm just like, I don't want to sit there fighting with this. And then I'm doing it, and I'm like, girl, this was so easy. You could have been done. You could have been done this. It was so easy. Like, literally, all I have to do is hold my hair, and that's it, and it's done. Boom. Look at that. It's dry and it's straight. That is so crazy. That's so crazy. When I tell you, this is the perfect tool to have right now because hot girl summer is approaching. We're taking trips, we're going on boats, and we need braids to do it, baby. So we gotta straighten our hair. We gotta straighten our hair so we can get our box braids, okay? Yo, this is so easy. Look at this. This is my whole section done. That is amazing. Okay, guys, I am sold. What I'm gonna go do is I'm gonna start doing this part right here. We're gonna compare like my blown out hair to my wet hair, and then I'm gonna finish it off because obviously this is gonna be a very repetitive video. And yeah, we'll be right back. Okay, guys, so we have half of our head done. The front was like really, really quick. Things that I've noticed, I don't need to hold it as long as I was holding it, that my hair actually gets dry before then, so that's even better. So we're definitely shortening the drying time. I would say if I didn't stop and keep getting on my phone, checking my Instagram, obviously the curves and like learning how to do this, I probably could have done this in 10 minutes. So it's super quick. I'm like, it looks like a really good blowout. Like, it looks really, really good. I just wish my ends didn't look as bad as they do. I think I'm actually going to go let somebody trim them for me tomorrow because the front doesn't look this bad, but the back looks kind of bad. Okay, but I know this has nothing to do with my ends. So I wanted to just kind of show you guys a comparison of what my hair looks like when it's wet with no product in it and what it looks like blown out. So you guys can really, really get into the difference with my shrinkage and everything like that. So I am 100% pleased with this. Now off camera, because I don't want to bore you guys to death, I'm going to go ahead and do the other side and then come back with my final thoughts. Okay, guys, and I am back. My hair is completely blown out. It looks so like good. This is pretty much what it looks like when I blow dry it with a regular blow dryer. So I am 100% pleased with the outcome. So my tension was 5. I did put it on high heat and I made sure I used my heat protectant, and I am really, really pleased with this. My ends look a little crazy, but I feel like that's just because I need a really good trim. So I actually just set an appointment for tomorrow. I'm gonna leave my hair like this since it's washed, it's blow dry. All they have to do is flat iron it. So we're gonna have straight hair. Casey back for a minute, and y'all know I be in my bag when I have straight hair. I be like, oh, I'm cute. So I'm gonna have her straighten it and also cut my ends and also make it a little bit even. I don't feel like curly cuts are for me, guys. I'm just sharing because, like, look at this. Like, I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't think it's for me. It looks cute, but my hair still comes out really cute, like my wash and goes, even when I cut my hair straight. So we're just gonna go back to doing that method. But yeah, I'm 100% pleased with this. This made the process so much easier with blow drying my hair. I definitely see myself using this a lot. especially when I'm doing my protective styles and my braids and all that, because it was just such a easy process. My roots, I feel like it has a little bit of a wave, nothing too crazy, just like a little bit, because obviously like it's not like it's there, but it's not there. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but yeah, it feels good in the inside though. I feel like if I was flat ironing my hair myself, I would want this to be a bit straighter. So I'll probably like go in and try to like straighten it even more. But it looks really, really good for what we got. So I'm very happy with it. I definitely recommend it. It made this process easy peasy, a lot quicker. It is late, guys, but I can't even go based off the time because I stopped so many times. I was on the phone with my mama, I was on the phone with my sister. Like, listen, I was talking, I was stopping, I was eating, I was doing so much different stuff. So I really can't give you a good time, but if you guys want to know, it is 8:30. So, and I started this at 6, so 2.5 hours, but it did not take me 2.5 hours to blow dry my hair at all. It probably would have taken me like 30 minutes if I was just sitting here focused and I was just like, boom, 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 let's get it done. I would say about 30 minutes. So I'm happy with it. I am 100% happy with this. I'm going to put a link down below for you guys to check out the Revair. I'm pretty sure you would love it. And you guys know your girl has a lot of hair and it's thick, and it works for me too. So it works with all hair types, and I am very, very pleased with it. Definitely recommend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. Please comment down below what you think. Do you have the Revair? Would you consider getting it? Let me know. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.